Rexel are proud to have teamed up with AroFlo to create an easy online ordering solution through the use of the Supplier Connect feature. Benefits include being able to check your price and stock availability before placing your order. Orders are processed electronically, making them more efficient and reducing errors. Allows us to work with your part numbers and unit of measures. You get the benefit of both using the AroFlo software and our web store. And there is more than one way to populate your order, including from our quotes. For this video, we are using our test environment. As such, speed, pricing, and product images do not accurately reflect our production web store. To begin, let's select Purchase Order from the Create menu. The next step is to select the supplier from the drop-down menu and click the Save button. The screen will now refresh and you can see that the Supplier Connect option is enabled in green. We can continue to create our purchase order by selecting a delivery location if we need to, as well as pickup, entering in some optional instructions or notes. Again, clicking Save to make sure that we don't lose any information. Instructions and notes are also emailed to the branch along with your order. Now onto the body of the purchase order. You can enter your parts manually by clicking Add Line Item, selecting the products from a list or typing them in manually. In this instance, we're going to add a PowerPoint and a roll of cable. We will save that without entering any price at the moment. The other option for entering part numbers on your order is via the supplier catalog. Select from the drop-down list the supplier that you want to use. Please make sure that you use the same supplier that you're connected to, as the pricing is dependent on that catalog. When ordering from our web store, adding products to the cart is really easy. You can either use the descriptive search, add from your most ordered, save list, reorder from a previous order or invoice, or you can even find and use one of the quotes prepared by our branches. Now that we have the items in our cart, we're going to click Send to AroFlo. After a short transition, you'll be back in AroFlo with all the items you had in your cart. We should now save this information as well. What we can tell is that the information brought back by the catalog has automatically populated the part number, the description, the unit of measures, as well as the supplier quote number, and all of the pricing information is available. Please keep in mind that if you received a quote from the branch manually and you would like to key these in from the products you have on AroFlo, you can simply enter the quote number into the Supplier Connect quote field and that will be accepted by our system. Priority is given to any quote number entered this way. Having a quote number upfront helps to speed up your order as pricing will be matched to the quote. However, if you do happen to forget the quote number, our branches have the ability to search for and link to your quote once it has been received. We will now add a customer part number as well as an item not recognized by Rexel, and we'll explain the reason behind this shortly. Just to make sure, we'll click Save again. Now that we are ready to send our order, we will click on the Send to Supplier button. The next screen is displaying live information with Rexel data to help you make informed choices with your purchase order. There are several elements to this screen. Items that are not recognized are highlighted in pink with the description of unable to price. If you maintain your own product codes, we are also able to map these here. So as you can see, we have preloaded this information to say that this product is mapped into our system and we're able to return a price and a product. Any items returned via the quote or you referencing a quote number will be passed through without any alteration. So as you can see here, it's saying that the Rexel cost is the quoted price. If for some reason there is a pricing discrepancy, the branch will be able to evaluate the price on the quote and match that. In certain situations, products are not able to be sold as a single unit. So in this particular cable, we have a quantity of one roll. Now this roll is sold in 100 meters. So what you can see is the Rexel UOM total is showing you how we have arrived at this price. If you choose to accept our price and override your original price, your price will become $68. In the event that there is a discrepancy between the displayed Rexel UOM total and your total expected order quantity, please continue with your price and do not accept the Rexel price. When placing your order, should any final price not match, for example, if you did not apply the Rexel price, your order will be received on hold for the branch to review and give you the best possible price. Now click on Place Order. At the top of the screen, we can now see that the order has been successfully placed using the Supplier Connect function as well as the purchase order timestamp. If you were to leave the purchase order screen now and come back in, you will still see at the top that the purchase order has always been transmitted. When your order has been processed in our system, you will receive an email notification similar to this one. Thank you for taking the time to watch our demonstration on the AroFlo Supplier Connect feature with Rexel. We are excited by the opportunities this feature will enable for your business, providing a quicker, easier ordering online platform with real-time information to help make purchasing decisions. Please reach out to us when you're ready to start the next step in your journey on Supplier Connect.